Saan yung siyang titin niya?
Right pa po.
Wala siyang titin.
Ilaya, tumak. Ilaya. To Jelson. Making his move. Jelson. 2 points by Jelson. 2-0 in favor of Team E. Sack. Block by Ross. To Bert. To Dens. Dens to Renz. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Ross. To Ilaya. Tumak. Wala. Rebound by Jason. Jason. JP. JP tumira. Wala. Rebound by JM. To work. Wala. Rebound by Sack. 9 minutes exactly. 2-0. Sack. Wala. Jason. 2 points by JP and Cal. All 2. Ilaya to JL. JL to Rod. Rod. Wala. Rebound by Sack. Sack to Kurt. Kurt to JM. To Kurt. Wala. Rebound by JL. Mac. 8 minutes and 30. Mac. Intercepted by Renz. Renz to Dems. To Sack. Sack. Dibli the ball. Sack. Intercepted by JL. 1-1 break. 2 points by JL. 4-2.
Kapatid ni ni Toto.
Tusak, wala. Rebound by Mac.
Kapatid ni anong tabi? Kayo nga pala.
Mac,
Jersey na baliktad.
by Mac.
Kapatid ni Toto.
In favor of Team E. Intercepted. Pero bola ng Team A. 7 minutes and 47 seconds. Tuson.
Oh, lalaro ka paano oras na?
Tuson. Son to turnover. Bola na Team E. Score.
Laro ka na?
6-2.
Pangatlong na yun eh. Ha? Pangatlong laro na.
Gano'n ang team eh.
Nagbilibili dyo eh. Di pala pinapapasok ko
Oras,
dito.
7 minutes and 18. To Ilaya. Number
Ba't di ka nakapag-bike down?
Sumak. Taking 2. 2 points.
Matik na yan kay Billy Joe.
Taking in. 2 points. May makakin. 10-2.
It gotta be love is a sign. Yeah.
10-2.
Don't care what we going around. Fuck what you bring to the
6 minutes and 45. Dems to JP. JP to Kurt. To Dems, take it 3. Wala. Rebound by Jen. To number 15. To Jelson. 2 points by Jelson. Keep E and keep E. Uniban, 2 points by Rod.
Parang naka-filter. Alam mo yung viral na filter?
42.
Yung malaki katawan.
Intercepted by number 15.
Literal no.
Parang naka-filter.
Touch pass. Touch pass again. To number 15. Intercepted. Intercepted niya. Naka-15 pa rin. 2 games. 2 points by Mac. 16-2. 5 minutes and 46 seconds.
No 2K, I got VC. Grab on that ass when she greet me. I heard it, nigga, he T.
Stay.
Call it on the big release. Talk about me in the store.
To number 15. 2 points by number 16. 2 points. Sige, sabi ka na. 5 minutes and 20. To Kurt, taking 2. Wala.
Di pa nila yung laki?
Ha?
Wala.
Kurt, teammate lang. Intercepted by Mac. Mac. 2 shot, 2 points by Mac. Last possession before change. possession, before teams, 18-2. Malaki na ang lamang pero kaya mga bulin yan. Last possession, pag na-shoot, change to Jason. 2 points, change po tayo. Change. 18-4 in favor of Team E. Oras, exactly 5 minutes. Wala yun. To Rod, Baking, Rod, lumipad. 2 points, by Rod. Ay, wala, knockout pala, knockout, foul, sayang.
Nakapilter yung
Agad dito.
sila pa ako, dulo ko dyan.
Kaya mo yan.
Ba't sila pa kayo mahabol pa ako?
Pag nakamot.
Tama ka ba? Si JL pa rin, rebound by Isaac. The Reds, touch pass to Jason, 2 points by Jason. 18-6 in favor of Team E. Jason, wala. Rebound by JL. Turnaround jumper, wala. Rebound by Kurt. To Zach. Zach, 4 minutes and 30. To Jason. Pass to, wala. Rebound by JL. To Jason. Intercepted by JP. 4 minutes and 18 seconds.
Oh, nabas score.
Score 18-6 in favor of Team E.
Tayo si Foggy. Pag-lap ko kanina, tanggal sapatos ang sinuot ko.
Number 15, Pilaya. 15, pingin is move. Pass to Gelson. Gelson. 3 points by Gelson. Score 21-6. Intercepted by Ron. Pilaya. Tumak na una na. Lumipad. 2 points by Mac Pulati. 2 points. Oras 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Score 23-6. JP. Lumipad din. 2 points by JP Andal. Oras 3 minutes and 20.
Kampak ah.
15, Inaya to JL, to Mac. Touch pass to Rod, 2 points, 1 connection by Mac and Rod. 3 minutes and 8 seconds.
Nicola.
Galing.
25-8. Kaya ba yan? 3 minutes exactly. Taking 3. Wala. 3 mo by Red. Red. 2 men sa ilalim. Intercepted na ako ang Gelson. Gelson. Nelson Mary, nagmamadali, nahuli, Zach, ay, nabutas ang kamay ni Gert. 2 minutes and 38, 25-8 ang score.
Kaya pa.
Kaya ba yan? 2 minutes and 30. Mac, to Ilaya, number 15. Ilaya, to bullet pass pero bola ng Team A. Oras, 2 minutes and 15. Debs to Jason. Last 2 minutes. To Zach. Zach pa rin. Intercepted by number 15, Manila na pasahan, 1 minute and 53. What a pass to Mac, 2 points by Mac Pulache, 1 minute and 45 seconds, 27-8 in favor of Team E. Pass to Debs sa ilalim, Debs, wala, rebound by Gerson, 1 minute and 30, Gerson lumipad, wala, rebound by Renz, tumpak usap, kumagat. Foul by JL Villarete. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Score 27-8 ang score.
Shoot.
2 intercepted, Manila Bataan, nakailang 1-on-1 break. taking 2 points by Mac.
Layup yung perimeter.
Grabe ang score sheet ng idol ko. 29-8 in favor of Team E. Sak, last 1 minute, lumipad. Foul. Last 57 seconds. Score, 29-8. To Sak. Sak, sa kanya ba rin? Sak. To Jason, GP. 49 seconds. GP. JP,
Kalaban na naman.
na uli ni Jason. 40 seconds.
Ang galing na to, kanina mo pa nakikita.
Pass to Natulog
Kaya pa siya nangigil.
Lahat yata tayo magkakakampi dyan eh.
31-8.
Kaya ka pa nakikita nangigil.
Isa pa, bigyan mo yan.
Padens, taking shot, 2 point, wala, rebound by Reds. To JP, lumipad, wala, rebound by Rod. Last 19 seconds, nauna na yung dalawa. Easy layup by Maculache. Last 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2 points, 4,